Did you know that the Australian government is legally responsible for knowing what happens to every drop of rain that falls on the Australian continent? How can this be done? Where are our water resources and how do they change? I'm Professor Paul Tregoning from the Research School of Earth Sciences, and I'll be answering those questions and more in my course EMSC3025 Groundwater, which will focus on the remote sensing of water using satellites. The course is designed a little differently from previous years. Rather than being focused on groundwater, it will include broader aspects of the water cycle, with a focus on satellite missions and the measurements we make to observe and quantify changes in water resources in the landscape, both in space and time. You'll learn how to find out what is really happening with our water resources, which satellite missions provide what information, and what really can and can't be done using remote sensing data. This course builds upon any of the RSES courses that dealt with climate change or the use of Python to process and analyse real data. You'll learn how to find and exploit remote sensing data to solve actual geoscience problems related to water and build confidence in your programming skills and data manipulation. I'll be delivering the course via in-person lectures, which will be live streamed for remote students. I'd like to extend a special welcome to all of you who will be joining us remotely, either here in Australia or overseas. I've really enjoyed having you in my classes from your locations in China, London and the Philippines. We will have a 2-hour computer lab each week in which you'll receive programming assistance while working on your computer assignments. We'll also have a 1-hour tutorial each week that will give you the necessary scientific, mathematical or Python background information to enable you to complete your assignments. While we won't do the assignments for you, we will give you what you need to know to work out how to do them. A little about me. I came to RSES in 1995 after having completed a postdoc in the US, and I've been here ever since. In my spare time, I love to run and cycle, and I'll be competing in a 136-kilometre race, the L'Etape Australia, in November this year. I'm really looking forward to seeing you all in class and introducing you to the fascinating world of satellites and to build up your understanding of just how great maths and physics are in studying our Earth.